Good morning, class 10. Today we again continue third chapter, metals and non-metals, with the topic covalent bond. So let's start. Covalent bond is a chemical bond which is formed by the mutual contribution or sharing of electrons between two atoms. Covalent bond is formed mostly when the two nonmetals combine together. Because nonmetals have tendency to gain electron, they need electron to complete their octet. In case of formation of hydrogen chloride, both hydrogen and chlorine are nonmetals. So both have tendency to gain electron. Hydrogen have 1 valence electron while chlorine contains 7 valence electron. Hydrogen need one more electron to complete the electronic configuration like helium inert gas, while chlorine need one more electron to complete their octet. It is not possible to lose the electron by hydrogen or to gain electron by chlorine. That's why both hydrogen and chlorine shared their 1 electron and form bond. So this type of attractive force which is formed by the mutual contribution or sharing of electron, that is called covalent bond. And covalent bond are of three types. That is, first is single covalent bond, double covalent bond, and triple covalent bond. We have already discussed when metals and non-metals combine together, they transfer their electron and form the ionic bond. But in case of when two non-metals, when one non-metal combined with other non-metal, they form the compound by mutual sharing. So when this type of bond is mostly formed when two nonmetals combine together, because two nonmetals always combine together to form the compound by mutual sharing of their electrons between two atoms. And this type of compound is called covalent compound. Now we will discuss in which compound single covalent bond, double covalent bond and triple covalent bond are formed. Students, one thing is noted here. During the formation of covalent bond, the sharing of electron by both the atoms be equal. Means in this case, hydrogen share its 1 electron and chlorine also share it 1 electron. And both the shared electron, this is the shared electron, is counted with both atoms. It means hydrogen also use this shared electron and to complete their electronic configuration like helium. Similarly, chlorine has 7 electrons, so it used this shared electron and to complete 8 electrons in their outermost shell. It means shared electron are counted with both the atoms. Now children, we will discuss how the single covalent bond, double covalent bond and triple covalent bond is formed and in which compound single, double and triple covalent bonds are formed. So we will start with the single covalent bond. Single covalent bond is formed by the sharing of 2 electrons. 2 electrons means one pair of electrons. When two atoms combine together by sharing of its one pair of electron, then it forms single covalent bond. With the example, we will clear it. When carbon is non-metal combined with other non-metal hydrogen, then it forms CH4. CH4 is methane. Now how it is formed? We know that carbon atomic number of carbon is 6 and electronic configuration is 2 and 4. So carbon contains 4 electrons in their outermost shell, while hydrogen atomic number 1, it contains only 1 electrons in their outermost cell. So outermost cell or valence electrons are participate in the sharing of electron. So carbon share its 4 electron and hydrogen will share its 1 electron. Carbon share its 1 electron with this hydrogen atom. I am putting here cross sign to denote the valence electron of hydrogen and dot for representation of valence electron of carbon. 1 electron is shared by carbon with this hydrogen atom. But carbon has 3 left valence electron, 1, 2 and 3, so that it needs 3 more hydrogen atom for the combination with hydrogen. That's why carbon shared with other 3 hydrogen atoms also. This valence electron of carbon shared with this hydrogen, this valence electron of carbon shared with this hydrogen atom, and this valence electron of carbon shared with this hydrogen atom. It means we conclude carbon has 4 electrons in their valence shell, so that it needs 4 hydrogen atom because hydrogen has only 1 valence electron. When carbon combined with 4 hydrogen atom, both hydrogen and carbon share its 1 electron, and when it share its 1 electron, it combined with carbon combined with hydrogen by single bond, because the mutual sharing means equal number of sharing of electrons. Carbon and hydrogen both share its 1 electron. So here 1 pair of electron is sharing between carbon and hydrogen, and when 1 pair of electron is sharing by the 2 atoms, then they form single bond, so that carbon and hydrogen link together by single bond. So here carbon combined with hydrogen from single bond, and to form the covalent compound methane. It means in methane, which type of chemical bond is formed? That is single covalent bond. Another example of compound in which single bond is formed, that is carbon tetrachloride. Formula of carbon tetrachlorides, CCl4. Tetra means 4, chloride means 4 chlorine. So it is CCl4. The formation of CCl4 is same as like methane. Carbon react with chlorine atom. When 1 carbon atom react with 1 chlorine atom, it share its 1 electron with chlorine. But carbon has again 3 more electrons for sharing, so that carbon react with 3 more chlorine atom, and when it react with 3 more chlorine atom, means total carbon react with 4 chlorine atom, and when it react with 4 chlorine atom, carbon and chlorine share its 1 electron and to form 1 single bond between carbon and chlorine, because the sharing of electron is 1 pair of electron. By this way, carbon and chlorine combine together by single covalent bond.